Imagine facing one of the biggest legal battles of your life. Trafficking, racketeering, and a possible life sentence. And just when you need them most, your lawyer walks away. No warning, no explanation, just gone. That's exactly what's happening to Sean Diddy Combs right now. His defense attorney, Anthony Ricco, has quit, filing a motion stating he can no longer effectively serve as counsel. But why? What's really going on behind the scenes? And could this be the beginning of the end for Diddy? Let's break it down. But before we get into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below. I want to hear your thoughts on this shocking twist. Is Diddy's legal team falling apart, or is there something much bigger at play? Now, let's get into it. For those who haven't been keeping up, music mogul Sean Diddy Combs is facing serious legal trouble. He's been accused of sex trafficking, racketeering, and a string of other federal crimes that could put him behind bars for life. And now, in a move that no one saw coming, one of his key attorneys, Anthony Ricco, has quit, just weeks before the trial is set to begin. Ricco, a highly respected defense lawyer, filed his motion to withdraw on February 21st, 2025, stating, "Under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs. No further explanation, no public fallout, just a mysterious exit." But here's where it gets interesting. Diddy's legal team is crumbling from within. Ricco wasn't just any lawyer. He was a veteran in handling high-profile cases. If someone of his caliber and experience suddenly decides to walk away, it raises serious questions. Some experts believe that this signals deep internal conflicts within Diddy's defense team. Maybe Ricco and Diddy weren't seeing eye to eye on defense strategy. Maybe he didn't like where the case was headed. Or maybe he saw something he didn't want to be a part of. Ricco wasn't just any lawyer. He was a veteran in handling high-profile cases. If someone of his caliber and experience suddenly decides to walk away, it raises serious questions. Some experts believe that this signals deep internal conflicts within Diddy's defense team. Maybe Ricco and Diddy weren't seeing eye to eye on defense strategy. Maybe he didn't like where the case was headed. Or maybe he saw something he didn't want to be a part of. Could there be more evidence about to drop? More witnesses flipping? Or is this simply a case of a lawyer not wanting to go down with the ship? Did Ricco discover something he couldn't defend? Let's be real. Lawyers are paid to defend their clients, no matter what. But what happens when the evidence is too overwhelming? Could Ricco have seen something so damning, so undeniable, that he didn't want his name attached to this case anymore? This isn't just speculation. We've seen it happen before. High-profile attorneys have quit when they realize the case is unwinnable, or when defending their client would damage their own reputation. If this is the case, it's not looking good for Diddy. Strategic move or legal tactic? Of course, there's always the possibility that this is a legal tactic. Sometimes lawyers step down to delay trials, shift public perception, or change defense strategies. With Diddy's trial scheduled for May 5th, 2025, losing a key lawyer could mean more time to prepare or an attempt to get a mistrial declared. Could this be a move straight out of the legal playbook? If so, will it actually work in Diddy's favor? Despite Ricco's exit, Diddy still has 5 other attorneys on his legal team. His lead counsel, Mark Agnifilo, remains in charge. But losing a lawyer of Ricco's stature this late in the game is a major red flag. With his trial just months away, every decision matters. And if his own team is falling apart, how much confidence? Despite Ricco's exit, Diddy still has 5 other attorneys on his legal team. His lead counsel, Mark Agnifilo, remains in charge. But losing a lawyer of Ricco's stature this late in the game is a major red flag. With his trial just months away, every decision matters. And if his own team is falling apart, how much confidence? The world is watching closely. Will Diddy beat these charges? Or is this the beginning of the end? Now, let's tie this back to relationships. This situation is a prime example of how betrayal, trust, and accountability play out in real life. When the people closest to you, your team, your family, your legal defense, start walking away, it's usually a sign that the foundation is crumbling. Whether we're talking business, personal relationships, or even friendships, when people start distancing themselves, it's time to ask. Why? Are they leaving because they can't support you anymore? Are they running from the consequences of your actions? Or are they simply choosing self-preservation? The truth is, accountability matters. When your own people start jumping ship, it's often because they see the storm ahead. And they don't want to go down with you. If you've ever been in a situation where someone you trusted suddenly left your side, drop a comment below. Let's talk about it. This case is far from over, and we'll be keeping a close eye on every twist and turn. If you don't want to miss any updates, make sure you're subscribed. This case is far from over, and we'll be keeping a close eye on every twist and turn. If you don't want to miss any updates, make sure you're subscribed. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Do you think Diddy's lawyer quit because he knows something we don't? Or is this just legal maneuvering? Let's talk about it in the comments. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you found value in today's video, I invite you to take your journey even further with my podcast, Life Points with Rhonda, where we dive deep into relationships, personal growth, and the wisdom that helps you thrive. Tune in on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and all major streaming platforms for powerful insights that can transform your life. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more uplifting content like this video, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message today. Stay connected with me on Instagram, Facebook, and Patreon. Life Points with Rhonda. Visit my website at lifepointswithrhonda.com for exclusive content, coaching, and more. Thank you for your support. Until next time, take care and stay phenomenal.